Hello friends, our very important and very interesting question is find the value of a plus b from expression 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 1 over 13 where a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. Now on solving this problem 1 over a we have 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 1 over 13. We have to find the value of a plus b. Now multiplying both sides by AB. 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 1 over 13. Multiplying by both sides by AB. This will be multiplying by under bracket AB over a plus AB over b is equal to AB into 1 AB over 13. Here a cancel out and here b cancel out. B plus a is equal to AB over 13. Now again multiplying by 13 both the sides. This and this to be cancelled. 13 multiplied by under bracket 13b plus 13a is equal to AB. Overall term bring to one side. AB minus 13b minus 13a is equal to 0. Now adding and subtracting by adding and subtracting 169 AB minus 13b minus 13a plus 169 minus 169 is equal to 0. Taking as a common in this term b, remaining here a minus 13, taking as a common here minus 13, remaining here a, here minus 13, 169 move to right side. Taking as a common a minus 13, remaining here b, here minus 13 is equal to 169. 169 factorizing. First case is 1 into 169, second case is 169 into 1, and third case is 13 into 13. Overall 3 cases. Now first case is case first, a minus 13 p minus 13 is equal to 1 into 169. On comparing a minus 13 is equal to 1 and b minus 13 is equal to 169. A is equal to 39 move to right side, 13 move to right side, b is equal to 169, 13 move to right side. A is equal to 14 and b is equal to 14, b is equal to 182. Find the value of a plus b. A plus b is equal to 14 plus 182. A plus b is equal to 196. Now second case is a minus 13 to b minus 13 is equal to 169 into 1. On comparing a minus 13 is equal to 169 and b minus 13 is equal to 1. A is equal to 169, 13 move to right side, 13 move to right side. A is equal to 182 and b is equals to 14. Finding the values of a plus b. A plus b is equals to 182 plus 14. A plus b is equals to 196. Now last cases is a minus 13 times of b minus 13 is equals to 13 into 13. On comparing, a minus 13 is equals to 13, comma b minus 13 is equals to 13. 13 move to right side. Here same. A is equals to 26 and b is equals to 26. Find the values of a plus b is equals to 26 plus 26. A plus b is equals to 52. Be getting the answer of 52. Now first case is a plus b is equal to 196 and second case a plus b is equal to 196 and third case a plus b is equal to 59. This is answer and this is answer and this is answer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.